Hey everyone, it's Gus Activa, and today you will be ordering food in English. But before that, drop a like, subscribe to the channel, and let's go. So, in this video, I'm going to be the manager of a food truck, and you're going to be the customer ordering. I will put up a script that you and I will be reading from. My words will be in red, and your words will be in green. But before that, I will read all the sentences so that you can understand the pronunciation. So that when it's your turn, you can do a great job. Are you guys ready? We're going to start in 3, 2, 1. I'm going to start off and say, "Hi, welcome to our food truck. What would you like to order today?" You will say, "Hi, I'm thirsty. I would like a large water, please." I will say, "Great. And what would you like to eat? We have a cheeseburger, hot dog, or a salad." You will say, "I would like 1 hot dog and 1 cheeseburger, please." I will say, "Perfect. Would you like fries with that?" You will say, "Yes, I would like fries, please. I like fries with ketchup." I will say, "Sounds good. Would you like a dessert? We have cookies or ice cream." You will say, "I would like ice cream, please." I will say, "Great choice. Will that be all for today?" You will say, "Yes, sir." I will say, "Perfect. Your total is $15. Will that be cash or card?" You will say, "I'll pay with card, please." I will say, "Thank you. Your order will be ready in a few minutes." And you will say, "Thank you." See, it's not too hard. Once you get a hang of it, take your time, speak slowly so you understand all of the words that you're saying. It's going to be fine. You'll be speaking English in no time. Actually, you will be speaking English in 3, 2, 1. "Hi, welcome to our food truck. What would you like to order today?" Great. "And what would you like to eat? We have a cheeseburger, hot dog, or a salad." Perfect. Would you like fries with that? Sounds good. Would you like a dessert? We have cookies or ice cream. Great choice. Will that be all for today? Perfect. Your total is $15. Will that be cash or card? Thank you. Your order will be ready in a few minutes. Great job, everyone. So basically, what you did today is order food in English. So if you go to a country or maybe a restaurant that only speaks English, you will now be able to order your food without problems. I recommend that you guys watch this video about 2 to 3 times so you guys can gain the confidence in speaking in English while ordering your food. If you enjoyed this video, drop a like, subscribe to the channel, and stay tuned for more videos like this. Thank you.